Now let's talk about the famous TH sound. Please note that the TH has two sounds. We have the and then th. Those are the two sounds of the TH. Let me demonstrate. The first sound the using the poem There Was a White Ship by Laura Sloss. There was a white ship that left the shore. The crew found gold, they all wanted more. They started going fast and were chased by a whale. It flipped its tail and rocked the ship. That was the last time they set sail. Other the sounds are brother, mother, father, etc. Now that's for TH sounding the. On to the next poem with TH sounding th. Hope you enjoyed this. See you. H has two sounds. TH doesn't sound t. T is a different sound altogether. TH has two sounds. The and then th. We've dealt with the sound the. Now we deal with TH sounding th using the poem Theodore Carter by an unknown author. It goes. Theodore Carter was a thug. He stole all sorts of things. He helped himself to this and that. He took expensive rings. On Thursday, while out thieving, Theodore the thug was frightened by a thunderclap and slipped upon a rug. As he landed with a thud, he shouted out, "Oh, crumbs!" When he slipped, Theodore had broken both his thumbs. 13 thick-set policemen fought him on the floor. Now Theodore, I'm pleased to say, is a thief no more. The TH has third. See you next poem. Thanks for watching. About that NG sound sounding spelled NG but sounds as in sing a song of sixpence. Sing a song of sixpence, a pocket full of rye, 4 and 20 blackbirds baked in a pie. When the pie was opened, the birds began to sing. Wasn't that a dainty dish to set before the king? The king was in his counting house, counting out his money. The queen was in the parlor, eating bread and honey. The maid was in the garden, hanging out the clothes. And there came a blackbird and picked off her nose. Here we have sounding words rye and pie, sounding I. Money and honey with the E sound, short I sound. Then clothes and nose, sounding Z. So we have cutting, hanging, singing, sing song, and not sing song. So will you be singing a song of sixpence? Thank you. Until the next poem, thanks.